Welcome to today's session on program using data visualization with basic plots. So we're going to see how to draw a pie chart, line plot, histogram and a box plot. Okay. So for that we'll first store the data with which we are going to draw the charts in X. So it's a vector of numbers. It has four numbers, five values, and in the variable answer we are storing y, and while the answer equal to y we are printing the menu options, and we are asking the user to enter the choice 1 2 3 or 4 using read line function, and it is stored using as dot integer, and it is stored in the variable choice. Okay, so based on this choice we will be drawing the pie chart or line plot or histogram or box plot. Okay, say suppose if the choice equal to 1, we are going to draw the pie chart. For that the syntax, we are going to use the function pi, and the first parameter in this function pi is x, that is the data with the five integers, and the labels are same as x, and this main parameter will give the title of the pie chart, and the COL parameter will give the colors for the pie chart. It will take the rainbow colors. Suppose there are five entries in X, it is going to show five different colors. Okay, so this is how we draw the pie chart. So for every chart we display the legend. So the legend is the one which will describe the chart with its color and what it means. So we are going to have the legend on the top left corner, and the values for the legend are the different countries: India, North America, Europe, Australia and Japan. And CEX is nothing but the font size of the legend, and fill is we are going to fill the legends with the rainbow colors as we see in the pie chart. Okay, so this is for choice 1, we are drawing the pie chart. Okay, so next for choice 2 we are going to draw the line chart, line plot. Okay, so for line plot the function that is used is plot, and the first parameter is the value of the x, and next is the type equal to O, so it means it is going to draw the line chart, and PCH is nothing but the size of the line. It is fixed to be 19, and COL parameter is nothing but the colors for the different x values of the line, and the x the label for the x-axis is given to be countries, and the label for the y-axis is given to be percentage, and the heading for the plot, for the line plot, is given to be population estimation, and the y limit is from 0 to 50, that is the y-axis starts from 0 to 50. Okay, so this is how we draw the line plot, and for the line plot also we give the legend. The legend is given in the top right corner, and the values for the legend are India, North America, Europe, Australia and Japan, and the size of the legend is 0.4, that is a font size. Next we are filling it with the different rainbow colors, so as we have seen in the pie chart. Okay, so the next is choice 3. So in choice 3 we are going to draw the histogram. So for histogram the function is hist, and the first parameter is the value of the x variable. The next one is the title of the histogram using the main parameter, and xlab will give the name of the x-axis, that is percentage, and the color is said to be dark magenta, and the border for the histogram is said to be green, and x limit, x ranges from 0 to 40, and y limit is 0 to 5, and every 7 values of x there is a break in the histogram. Okay, so we'll draw the histogram and then we will see how it is understood, how the syntax is represented in the graph. So next we have choice 4. So in choice 4 we are going to draw the box plot. So for the box plot we are setting the value from 0 to 35 in S and 0 to 25 in D, 0 to 14 in A and 0 to 12 in B and 0 to 14 in F. Okay, so and these values S, D, A, B, F are made as a list, and that is the value for the box plot. Okay, instead of X we are giving this list of S, D, A, B and F. Okay, and the title for the box plot is population estimation. The x-axis will be called as countries and the y-axis will be called as percentage, and different colors are given for the different box plots, and the names of the different box plots are given with the different names of the countries. Okay, so this is how we draw the box plot. So then finally we ask whether we want to continue, and we get the user input whether the choice is, if it is S, the next menu option will be can be given as the option. If it is given as no, it comes out. Okay, so this is how this program is working. So you can have a laptop, you can run the video in a laptop, you can type each and every line of this program in the laptop, and you can try running this function. Okay, so now let me run each and every line of the program. Okay, so first printing the topic of the program, and next the data, next answer. So next I am executing the while loop, so which will print the menu option. So it has printed the menu option. Now I am giving the menu option as 1, that is I am going to draw the pie chart. Okay, so the chart is displayed on the left hand bottom corner, so you can use the zoom to see the chart. Okay, so here you can see the pie chart with the population estimation for the different countries: India, North America, Europe, Australia and Japan. Okay, so this is for the pie chart. Okay, so this is the pie chart is working. So now I want to give the next option, so I give the choice as Y, and then I enter 2 for the next chart. So now I am drawing the line plot, so I can see the line plot here. So here also the topic is population estimation, the x-axis is countries and the y-axis is the percentage, and the different legends are drawn here, and the line is plotted for the different countries: India, North America, Europe, Australia and Japan, and its different percentage of population is printed. Okay, so this is the line graph. So next I am going to histogram. So I am pressing the choice S and I am choosing the option 3. So it will display the histogram. See here, you can see the histogram. The x-axis is percentage and the y-axis is frequency. For histogram, it is frequency. The y-axis is always frequency, is said to be frequency. So it means from 10 to 15 there are 3 values, and from 20 to 25 there is one value, and from 30 to 35 there is one value. This is the meaning of the histogram. Okay, so next I am going to draw the box plot. So for that I am giving the option 4. Okay, so this draws the different box plot. The box plot is different from the histogram. Histogram ranges, it gives value only for the x-axis, and in the y-axis we have only frequency, but in box plot we can have both x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis we have the countries, and in y-axis we have the percentage. So this shows the population percentage of India, North America, Europe, Australia and Japan, the different colors of the box plot. Okay, so this is about the basic plots in R programming. Okay, basic visualization plots in R programming. Now I have given N, so it means that it has ended the menu option. Okay, so you can run through each and every line of the code one by one. I hope it is understood. We have drawn the pie chart using the function pie function, and we have used the legend function to print the legend. So next we have used the plot function to draw the line plot, and we have used the legend function, and for histogram we have used the hist function, and this doesn't require a legend, and for the box plot we have used the box plot function. Okay, so and finally we are getting the user input to stop the menu or to continue with the menu. Okay, so hope it is understood, it is clear. Thanks for your patience listening.